Ezocansi on Indaba njalo ngo-7 kuya ku-8 p.m.
Hey, sawubona ulalele Indaba egagasini. We welcome you as well as join manje. Sesingena ke kwezocansi njalo on Thursday from 7 right up to 8. You can call us ku 0861 596 596 as the WhatsApp number as well 064 624 5378 and my voice notes akho wenze nje apha emafishane kakhulu. Asimukele uDokotela Mthembu, she joins us now. Hello doc.
Mthiyane.
Unjani?
Ngiyaphila nani?
Why do women do these things sometimes?
How?
No,
it's excited or
no, this is like a sign yokuthi ndiconse samathe.
Yeah, kuba ready ukuthi ke this is the time
to do the action.
Yes.
Yeah,
are
you ready?
To talk about it.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm ever ready.
Oh, okay, sure. Ngesikhathi ama radio sawalalela ngama battery.
I'm a PM ngiyawazi
PM9 no PM10.
I still have that uyazi njalo. Uyangazi ngithanda emakhaya mina ngisana iradio liyakudala kokuthiwa no tempers.
Tempest. Yes,
I still have that. Ngisanayo leyo.
Nami ngwa-collector wonke. Yabo nje if you can go ku-page lami on Instagram at Alex Mthiyane, you will see yonke inhlobo yawo naney'thombe zawo. Right, so namhlanje we're talking ways to sexually maneuver through a new relationship. Okay, so kuleli hlelo ke uyabuza, and again mangabe ukuthi ufisa procedures vivaneni, you are most certainly welcome to do so. 0861 596 596. Doc, mangabe qala relationship nje noma yipi, usually khona lento yokuthi people are keen to walking on eggshells. Yabona, they struggle to put their best foot forward. For this reason abantu abaningi they shy away from ukuxoxa nje about sensitive topics njengokuthi kule relationship yethu sex izoba kanjani, yabona, and khona abanye abavele nje bayibhadlaze ukuthi well kwenzeka kanje, or action wakhona ufudumeza abantu kakhulu ngendlela yokuthi kungalindi. Abanye ladies will tell you ukuthi no, my mom said ukuthi you can't have sex with umuntu kwi relationship max 2 months njani, and all those things abantu abazishoyo. So singa undermine ukuthi I relationship engaqalanga kahle ngokucansi ingase ngabikho safe.
Yeah. Look, Alex, I think ama rules lawo esizifaka kuwona, and sometimes ama rules nama expectations esiwezwa nakwabanye abantu. Kakhulukazi kodwa ngosho ukuthi ama stereotypes, kuba nama stereotypes ukuthi mhlawumbe intombazane esheshe yalala iluso rilula, and mhlawumbe ungalali nomuntu ngosuku lokuqala njalo or intombazane ethanda ucansi kakhulu ilula. Ama stereotypes yabona ama stereotypes ngoba when it comes to sex, we talk about it all the time ukuthi sex mayenzeke within a relationship, so kubalekile ukuthi within the relationship nibe comfortable, nobabili nibe comfortable about it. So into ye timing is very crucial, and angeke ngisho mina ukuthi wait 90 days, wait daytime for 5 days or njani. Kunabantu ideally abahlangana one night, balala that night, bagcina sebeshadile. Kunabantu thola ukuthi umuntu alinde isikhathi eside lelinde lo muntu ukuthi kuzalale naye, lapho elale khona wembem thank you ma'am bye bye abaleke umuntu. So lento angeke uzuyigauge ngokwesikhathi ukuthi isikhathi esingaka. Into ebalekile nje Alex ukuthi ayibe into wena oyiconsentile, number 1 okusho ukuthi oyivumile, so ready ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi ayi sengiready manje ukuthi umthiyane akangithathe, or sengiready manje ukulala nobani bani njalo. Naye futhi abe ready, because it can be very awkward into yokulala for the first time. So
it's not a given ukuthi men are always ready.
No. Ngoba it can be very awkward ngoba khona abantu besifazane abanye abayithanda kakhulu, into ye sex, bathanda kakhulu ucansi azabe uncomfortable umuntu wesilisa ngalo muntu wesifazane because ulufuna njalo. And as umuntu wesilisa ufila under pressure to satisfy her ngoba njalo efuna umuntu wesilisa ubona ukuthi ayikumele ngimnike, otherwise uzohamba eyoyithola kwenye ndawo.
Okay. Your questions then ilolu hlelo la esikhuthaza khona to be anonymous Mothanda 0861596596 kwenze kanjani kweyakho situation kuhamba kanjani khona manje masikhuluma ngayo le ndaba yokuthi makuthi ni relationship solid yaqala kanjani indaba ye sex nangu dokotela esho kuyenzeka sometimes uthola umuntu wesifazana othanda kakhulu ucansi azafaka ipressure kumuntu wesilisa and kuyenzeka futhi nakho besilisa uthola ukuthi akabikho ready okay and kwizimo ezinye uyothola ukuthi umuntu mhlawumbe conservative ozoba ngowesilisa or khona umunye sesowangena la ukuthi ngenxa manje uyakholwa and usabambe kakhulu nezinto ayifundiswayo lo wesilisa umthola sewumuntu oborayo so umbamba kanjani ukuthi angayi kwenye indawo.
Yeah, and that's another thing ngoba ungaba no 90-day rule wakho but how uguarantee kanjani ukuthi lo muntu akayi ngaphandle walekulindile wena you know in fact namhlanje bekune patient engitshele lokho ukuthi wathi elinde emlindisile umuntu for inyanga esafuna ukumfunda ukuthi u right yini wathi ngesikhathi yene sevuma kwaqhamuka isisu uyabona so into enjalo you cannot uyigauge ngokwabanye abantu it's up to you so that uma wena so decide ukulala nomuntu akuba into oyivume wena uma kuukuthi kugcina relationship ingavumanga you've got nobody to blame but yourself you know uzobe kuthi ngifuna ukulala naye after 5 days ulale naye in 3 days you'd be guilty about impilo yakho for into unnecessary you know and yet mhlawumbe you are compatible and mhlawumbe ngampela bokumnandi ne situation ne vibe be right ngaleso sikhathi sokuthi nivele nibambane and have sex and yet if uzoyiplan ukuthi no only ngomhla 31 March you know so yenza lento izobhora izothi masibhora mhlawumbe induku yomuntu ayisavuki and nawe futhi awubi manzi kahle nawe uthukile ngoba unama expectations ukuthi lo muntu for the first time seyolala naye and then you can end up messing a relationship nga that very first time ehambe wrong.
Lalela indaba yekakasini nelo hlelo alilungela abantu abancane indaba yocansi sinodokotela Mthembu until 8 inumber 0861596596. Now as a general advice doc when people are going to make love for the first time kukhona iqhala kukhona lento yokuba anxious komunye and kukhona lento ye expectation so how would you advise people kakhulukazi ekutheni yini okufanele uyilindele nanokuthi must you leave room for a disappointment ungafake pressure kakhulu kumuntu ngeke umuntu umjudge nge-first installment ukuthi kuzoba kanjani your advice there generally.
You know that is why kubalekile ukuthi by the time sengena lapho sokune element of trust and an element of care you know for one another ngoba lapho kuzothi noma umuntu kukhona le fambule khona but because you care ngalomuntu ukusuku relationship naye you begin to overlook lezi zinto ngoba suthanda yena more than uthanda ucansi naye uyabona you begin to overlook and some of these things kuukuthi nivumelane nje ukuthi kunento ozoyihleka you know ukuthi you know ipeni lami ibilithukile ini ngasheshe ngachama or now ubushisa kakhulu and you begin to laugh about lezo zinto. Don't be tense, you know, thola indlela zokuthi ni build again I momentum within your relationship. Generally kubantu abaningi if a family that first time around generally round 2 nayo usuke sefuna ukuprove uyabona and it actually gets better.
All right, so I trust.
Yes.
Ebalekile you build it first, you use the community care as well.
And care. Very important ngoba phela if you care for someone ngeke uthi if on that first night whether ubandile or induku yakhe ayisebenzanga kahle so when I give up ngoba it's not about ucansi it's about the person.
Sure. Indaba on Gagasi lama shows yakwazi kwathola ama podcast akhona kwi website yethu gagasiworld.co.za gagasiworld.co.za ungasifonela ke manje ku 0861596596 and for videos ololu hlelo ungathola ku Facebook page elithi Indaba with Alex and I'm on Instagram as well at Alex Mthiyane. Asiqale anonymous emalangeni sawona anonymous.
Yebo kanjani butana?
Yawusho mfethu ubani lo ovuka umoya lapho ngemva kwakho? Khona umuntu ohayizayo lapho.
Hayi kudlala iTV.
Oh okay sure. All right. Manje bla sikhuluma ngama matters of sex mase khona umuntu ovuka you know.
Siyavuka wasazi ukuthi kanjani.
Yes.
Sure.
Mina butwana indaba is very funny because mina bekumuntu abathanda ucansi so ngahlangana nomuntu in life engangitho mhlawumbe ukuthi angangithanda so I had to understand here ukuthi kuumuntu ongathanda ucansi futhi umuntu othanda futhi ukubamba nabo public so ngaya nokumunderstanda kwaze kwehla nangimini ukuthi no ukuze ngimthande ngoba uyangikhathalela futhi uyangithemba angenze njengoba naye enza kwagcina sekwenzeka ukuthi hayi kuyahleleka bona ukuthi ucansi ungalenzi njalo sesithandane naye like for 5 years now
Okay.
njalo bhuti
Oh okay right so kwadinga ukuthi wena unciphise kakhulu ukuthanda kwakhe sex ukuze ukwazi kuma-accommodator and sekuyenzeka ukuthi uyabo uye ngama-terms akhe ekutheni hayi nizuba intimate njalo
well kuyenzeka
for 5 years doc.
Look, sometimes kuyenzeka Alex ukuthi uthola ukuthi umuntu angafuni ukuyocansini because of a past experience yakhe mhlambe na kwi past relationship uthola ukuthi ukuphethe mhlambe lokusaba okwakwenzeka kuyena kuqala useze ongena nako kule relationship wena uzombona ngathi lo muntu lo akayithandi lento kanti uphethe ubhlungu obuthize okwasala kwenye relationship kodwa wakuthatha wakuletha kule relationship so ubhuti njengoba esho ukuthi uyamthanda sebe together for a long time kukuyena ukuthi invest kuyena I trust again ukuthi angifani naloyo uma ukuthi khona wakwamhetha asiveze ubuyena so that this woman falls in love with him and she becomes comfortable and opens up to him.
Ngiyithanda like opens up.
Yes,
right.
And when she's open up then she's open up.
All right, doc. Lehlelo labantu abadala olalela igagasi siba ngama Thursdays from 7 to 8. Kuyavotwa ke kubalwa amavoti tonight. So sizokunikeza nje like ama updates again from my colleagues just kusitshela ukuthi simi kanjani. Akaqeda ukubalwa but the indications are that so far ANC ihamba phambili and then kulandele ke iDA bese kuzoba ke EFF. We will update you. Isimo singase sishintshe njengoba ke sikwazi ukuthi izimo ke ziya ngokushintsha and mawubheka nje like nationally ANC is 56%, kulandela iDA 22% and then bese kuba EFF 9% and we know ukuthi ama political parties lawo kuthiwa amancane complain kakhulu ayakhala ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo. In our province KwaZulu-Natal nationally KZN ANC 54% and then bese kuzothi iIFP ilandele ngo19 and bese kuzoba ke iDA ngo11%. Kuyabalwa ke kumanje.
Ezocansi on Indaba njalo ngo7 kuya ku8 p.m.
All right, izocansi egagasini sino Dr. Mthembu and namhlanje sikhuluma ngendaba yokuqala ukuthi relationship indaba ye sex nje niqala kanjani. All right, doc, let's just talk about this. Niqala kanjani ingxoxo nomuntu because ku-important ukwazi sexual history yomuntu, you always say that.
Yes.
Sexual history, number of partners umuntu aseke waba nabo before, history of STIs if any. Akuyona conversation ongayiqala kalula without umuntu being offended. We treat her kanjani. It's important.
It's important but
yeah, fanele ukuthi ungabe yibhimbi.
Yes, ungabe yibhimbi ngayo and also into abantu abagcina sebe bevumela imizwa yabo more than iqiniso ngoba iqiniso le you need to know sexual history yomuntu or even sexual orientation yomuntu you go upon which means also obviously at first uzolala nomuntu ne condom until sentestile nobabili na comfortable and you are sure of each other but of course izinto is very uncomfortable ukuthi nago umtshela nini umuntu esenilala naye yes mhlambe nilala ngecondom umtshela nini ukuthi mhlambe when you are HIV positive
yes
umtshela nini ukuthi mhlambe une herpes wena nezifo ezithize ezinye zocanso onazo owazi ukuthi engayithola should ningasebenzisi icondom.
Yes.
So izinto lezo that esizithatha for granted most of the time when you get into a relationship nomuntu omusha ngoba awuzibuzi zona. Kugcina imizwa kuyiyona eba more exciting nokuthi kumnandi ngoba together kune chemistry. Ngoba truth be told ngaleso sikhathi umuntu menisaqala ukuzwana kusokune chemistry kakhulu. Uthi noma umcabanga lo muntu uze shivering down your spine uze sometimes uqhanelwa uba horny just by thinking of this person. That's in the initial stages. Come 3-6 months down the line sumjwayele lo muntu soku normal, which is why kwabanye bazothi ngcono ulale naye lapho, you know, ngalesi sikhathi esehlile yonke lento yama hormones nemizwa, you know, yokulangazelana kakhulu nokufunana kakhulu, mhlambe ngcono ukuthi ulale naye lapho
ngaleso sikhathi.
Kanti also, you know, in talking, Alex, kunomuntu ngampela ongafuni relationship nawe, ofuna ukulala nawe nje. And that's it. And lapho ke men and women, you know, ikhona lento ukuthi umuntu cha uthi ufuna nje ukulala naye lo muntu, and sikhuluma iqiniso ngoba into eyenzekayo out there. And generally kulabo bantu uthola ukuthi on that first night, whether you one night stand abantu abayenzile, because inento yokuganga phakathi ibe ne thrill yokuthi vele ngeke ngimbone again, we one night vele ngiyadlula njalo.
Yes.
So uthola ukuthi leyo even mentally it's different kunaleyo umuntu ofuna ukinvest, ngoba lo ofuna ukinvest ku relationship une complex nokuthi ngingafambuli ngenze kahle and njalo, and it lona owazi ukuthi uyadlula nje, it's just for the excitement and the thrill. Uthola ukuthi kanti later mhlambe kuzobuya kubuye begcine sebe ku relationship, even though kade beqale ukuthi bayadlala, bayadlana and bayadlula. Yes.
Okay, uyibeka kanjalo. Say that again.
Bengayikremile phela bayadlana.
But ngibona kune rhyme kuyona.
Yes.
Yeah, bayadlana bayadlula. Okay, doc. Sure. Let's go to Anonymous wasemlazi, sabona.
Hi, Putunjan.
Sure, kunjani?
Yeah, Phil, but when on a daughter, like, you just make it cute. If you're, I mean, a host, you're hosting her very, very well, Siabong.
Oh, thank you.
I can see she always get excited when she talk about those things, and then Siabong immediately patagal. Guys, I've been traveling for quite some time, and I stay Zambia for 3 years. And you won't believe how much these talks and how abantu besifazane they get to be taught ngazo zonke lezi zinto lezi. And meanwhile Tina our abantu bamaZulu they are very, very shy to talk about zonke lezi zinto enkhuluma ngazo. And you know what's very interesting ukuthi when umuntu wakhona eshada unikwa yabo lamabhaya esinqeni, and they get 3 colors. One, the white one. Okay, let's start with the red one. The red one, uma ngabe ufika ekhaya ubaba indlala phezu kombhede, it means that I'm on my period, right?
Oh.
Then yes. So you don't have in your bedroom, so you don't have to expect anything because she's on her period. Then when she gets the blue one, it means that I am ready for you. Like I'm horny tonight to have you. It's ready for us to have sex tonight.
That's blue.
Yes, there are a lot of things about Futswazona and Abazenza Muntu Mangabeshad. And by the way, like the other part, Uguti, nobody is going to. We share fiwena. Like you don't take uboya where umyeni wako okususayo noma umngakho okususabona. So things that it makes it easier to communicate if you can even play ngezinto ezidala.
Anonymous, you mentioned the red, blue, and the third one?
The third one is white.
White meaning?
It means that I'm ready for you anytime, no period. Whenever you need it, I'm ready for you.
Oh, I thought blue was for that.
Maybe meaning pantai. Blue, it means that I'm ready for it.
Yeah.
And white is that, it also means that I'm ready for you.
Okay,
yes.
All right.
Okay.
And then the shaving part as well,
Yeah.
There are a lot of things about this one, and it's so interesting.
Interesting indeed. Doc?
Yeah, I think so. Yes, Alex, njengoba esho ubhutethi sometimes kunezinto thina being amaZulu or abantu, you know, kube nama stereotypes. This is what I call them, ama stereotypes. Ukuthi umuntu wesifazane akakwazi ukukutshela number 1 uma ekufuna, you know, ehoni. Umuntu wesifazane mekushela yena ku wrong.
Yeah.
Uyabona umuntu wesifazane akufunakala bonise ukuscreama, you know, I enjoy it because those are stereotypes even nabo as abantu besifazane, you know, othola ukuthi batshelwa wona ukuthi uzithibe uzibambe as umuntu wesifazane, indoda ingakubona ukuthi uya enjoy lento because indoda izobona ngathi ulula.
Yeah.
You know, and which is wrong. It's very important for us.
Uyifunde phi ke lento?
uyifunde phi. That's another thing. Many women uthola ethi uvela athi ngiyifunde phi lento Dr Mthembu ithi umtshela utshela uDr Mthembu.
Ezocansi on Indaba njalo ngo7 kuya ku8 p.m.
Indaba yakakasini asiyemavosini uthike usivalele iradio ngemuva please and uyigcine nje ibe this is the only time la izinto sithi ke khona zingaba mfishane kakhulu, right? So keep them short.
Keep them short.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Mina mfethu ngeke ngahlala nomuntu mfethu ngithandana naye cathi phelile unyaka mfethu ungakaze nje ngimthole kodwa nje angivashele sihlale kube right. Sele sengiqala khona ngithi ngifuna ukujumpa phela ngeke ngilongihleni nomuntu engingamshaya mfethu ngeke. Hayi mfethu wangidedelela ngashaya. Ngime ngithole mfethu yakubheda mfethu ngeke hayi. Vele ngangamfili mfethu angazi indaba hayi.
Sure. Right, things happen. Yeah. Let's take another one, Doc. Ngifisa uPaul nje.
Hi, put Alex u-anonymous lo ohlala eQuarry Heights. Mina ngibe nenkinga lapho ku-previous relationship yami. Saze sahlukana through leyo situation ukuthi lo wesilisa uthanda kakhulu inkonzo yasekameleni waze wangitshela emehlweni wathi useya ngaphandle ngoba mina angikwazi ukumsatisfy ngayo yonke into.
Okay, sure. Sithatha futhi hello, Kakasi.
Awu ngayithanda leyo dokotela nino Alex.
Eta.
Bethi bayadlala bayadlula. Imnandi show Alex no dokotela siyabonga kakhulu iyasiza nje kuma relationships ukuthi siwa maintain ehleze right. Ngiyabonga kakhulu maswidi lo emlazi kayo.
Sure maswidi. Yeah, well, ingaba mnandi but you understand ukuthi ingaba sensitive to other people as well.
Yes.
So I coin enama side ayi2 angekafani.
Yeah, it's the truth always somewhere hits. Look Alex, anonymous boy too lo qala ubhuti uthi wathi esefika kuntokazi kushuthi kade emlangazela emlindile for unyaka wonke kushuthi yena ube nama expectations athize, you know, wathi esefika lapho kusisi wanga enjoy as much as akade yena efisa ukuenjoya ngakhona. And njobe thiwabaleka after obvious ukuthi kwayena ubengafuna ukuinvesta kusisi, you know, into ade ifuna yena ilocansi selilinde for a year and nokuba neqhala lokulinda unalento yokuthi ngazi kube into engiyilindile and for him it was a conquer ukuthi ngithole lento and go. Ungathola ukuthi it wasn't even about the sex, ubese vele decide long ago within the relationship ukuthi I relationship nalo sisi akayifuni and ngeke iye ndawo, but ubeselinde yena ukuthi ashaye le score. Once washaya iscore kuyena useyadlula ngoba if before I relationship ubezohlala abone ukuthi ngingamsiza kanjani, ngingamfundisa kanjani, you know, ngoba lento futhi inako lokho ukuthi umuntu unifundisana. So sanga rehabilitate ekuthene angabuke ngathi fault yokuthi ngimlindisile so yet I'm not good enough. Because ungathola mhlawumbe ucommunicate to the lady. That's the problem. Ukuthi ungathola ukuthi ucommunicate to the lady and that thing isizokwenza lo muntu wesifazane esebe nale complex number 1 nale insecurity ezokwenza ke even worse next time esehlangana nomunye othola ukuthi uJoe alright still uzozibamba lapho at last time akazi phela yento wahambelani loya uzothi ayi ngokunye ngalinda wathi lo sokufikile lapho wangishiya amlindise even more kanti if ukuthi umuntu even if umuntu uyamshiya but mhlambe imshiya umtshelile ukuthi hey sisters mhlambe inkinga ukuthi umanzi kakhulu umkhulu kakhulu or awu movie or inyoma yini as umuntu wesilisa obona ukuthi yakubhora ocansini nalomuntu but obvious yena ubefuna ucansa nje kuphela.
Sure. Right, the lady says ukuthi umuntu wakhe bethanda kakhulu ucansi waze washo wathi hayi awungigculisi so ngiyaphuma ngiyangaphandle.
Naye ubhuti same uyasho nje ukuthi ubefunani ubefuna ucansi. That's it. Akafuna relationship no sisi ufuna sex and usisi ungathola ukuthi you know according to ubhuti uyambhora you know njobe elifuna kangaka ubhuti kunezinto agcine says experience ngokulithanda kakhulu ucansi experience at different positions nabantu abazomenza izinto ezingafani. Uthola lo sisi njobe conservative yena engakafuni ukuyocansini usaziphethe kahle you know ngokwakhe uthola ukuthi akekho as experienced as lento ayifunayo ubhuti so kuyena uzodlulela phambili but again ubhuti akafuna relationship nosisi usisi akangayiboni leyo nto as into personal kuyena as if yena wrong lo muntu ongayitholanga into ayifunayo bokuwucansi
because inhloso yethu talk is to build, right? Say you are in a situation enjalo right now and you are serious ngalo muntu. Isandaqala relationship but you discover ukuthi you've seen more ku experience yakho but lo muntu onayo njengamanje partner wakho isenjalo relationship akayenzi ngendlela oyifuna ngayo.
Yes.
How do you politely say ukuthi this is how I want it done?
Mina ngihlala ngikuthola logo from ama patients, enze njalo. And kuhle Alex ukuthi khona le show yethu. Number 1 yazi bathi ngivile ngimlalelise ishow yenu because number 1 ngiyazi ukuthi nezinto azozithola lapho nithi mase nikhulumile ngithi mina asikuzame lokho kade bekusho asikuzame lokho uyayibona leyo it's a very polite way of ukutshela umuntu wakho ukuthi khona la udinga ukuthi unyuse khona amasokisi or failing wish I'm letting mina I'm very frank mina mengine couple I right thing ngiyambuza usisi umenzani ngamenzi kona buti uthola umuntu esho ukuthi hayi lo uyabhora efuna kube yimina njalo omqalayo aka respond enze njani athi usisi cha iqiniso Dr Mthembu the reason why nginga-respond is because induku yakhe iba weak ngise senqene ukuresponda ngiyazi ukuthi uzosuka ngilolela ubala uyabona ukuthi yinto othola ukuthi abakwazi ukisho bebodwa but in front of uDr Mthembu or in front of someone else sebekwazi bavuleke and at the end of the day suqhamuka nesombululo ko wena sokuthi okay because mhlawumbe induku yakho wena isheshe ikhathara or usheshe uchame mhlawumbe qala udlale ngobhontshisa until abe ready usisi by the time ungena kuyena nayo se ready seniqeda nobabili kanye uthola ukuthi isombululo easy within a relationship abantu abathandanayo ibaqhube ibasephambili but ukukhuluma no communicator nokwazi ukwenza foreplay it's very important ukuthi ukwazi ukwenza lokho because it's really about satisfying the sexual urge egcineni.
Some ezinto a common talk evelayo eyokuthi umanzi kakhulu manje angazi ngizomtshela kanjani kunephunga elingemnandi eliqhamukayo manje libe selingithena off ipipi likhulu kakhulu manje yena ucabanga ukuthi the more balikhulu ngizo enjoy izinto lezi eba common but abantu abanamahloni ukuthi batshelane sibe ku relationship for a long time but izinto lezi ezikhona and esingagcina sizidampenisha even leyo relationship
kakhulu Alex and last week sike sakhuluma ngabantu besifazana othola ukuthi uyaphuma out of a relationship and kuyenzeka many a times uthola ukuthi because kune problem wrong lana naye ufuna uku test ukuthi mhlambe ngaphandle nginjani khona phandle umthola umuntu esiyazi ukuthi cha Dr Mthembu ngempela ngithi ngiya ngaphandle komunye nakhona kwa same thing ngangachama or ngangaqeda or whatever azibone lapho ukuthi usene problem ngempela but that is why it's important ukuthi nikhulumeni nobabili kuqala angazaza aphume ngaphandle omunye eyozitesta yena ikhulumeni nobabili even nawe as umuntu wesifazane if uzwa ukuthi mesiyocansini nomuntu wami angimuzwa ngaphakathi kumina nento njalo umtshele it's not a fault kuyena ngoba ungamuzwa umuntu wesilisa it can either mean ukuthi induku yakhe encane but also it can mean ukuthi nawe untomzodwa mkhulu
sure 0861596596 sisejoze now bongile
sanibona kunjani
sure mfowethu kunjani
ngiyaphila budabe ngiyajabula ngena ngiyaqala nongena eradioweni yazi
siyabonga mfethu segagasini njengamanje siyajabula nathi
ngiyabonga ngifathana ukubulisa na kusise bhuti wami
ubulisekile bhuti
yebo sithi bhuti yazi ngishadile sengalobo before bengizoshada nganginengane ngaphandle and since ngashada bengiloko ngijabula nohambe endlini so since nje sashada ushithi too much angisajabulile and manje sengizengazithola sengibuyele kulo oqale ngale manje jabula kakhulu ukudlula lapha endlini lo lapha endlini hayi noma ngiyacela siyakhuluma everything like si open siyakhuluma nje masiqeda ukudlala sisho ukuthi mhlawumbe ngishodise ubhori konjani asho nje ukuthi hayi ngi-right but naye akajabulile nix sengize ngijabula kakhulu mangile ngaphandle nemali yangisabisa le ndaba ukuthi uma engazi ayithothi sengize ngabuyela ngale kophela umshado lana yazi
yini ungajabuli kwakho bhuti uma uthi awujabulile yini leyo ukhuluma ngayo
umama sendlini sisi uhlale kufuze kube yimi engiziloko ngizomtshela ukuthi awuthi senze and masenza uyahlala nje uyarelax akamuva kenza ulutho ngize ngimbuze ukuthi mhlawumbe angisamjabulisa or kwenze njani uloko nje hayi ngiright ngijabulile but mina ngiyabona ukuthi lo muntu akenzi uya pretend urelaxile and bese ngitshela udimo nenkinga ngoba mase ngenza nje sengivele ngenzela ukuthi ngisheshe qede kodwa mase ngifika kuloya siyenza bhuti wami ngiyathatha noma utraw and into bengitshela ukuthi angisakhona ukuyenza leyo
firstly but ngokuzwa kwami umkakho uyamthanda and uyamtreasureisha umkakho kakhulu lo onayo manje be careful ukudlala ngezikhali ezizokulimaza ekugcineni because kwakona lokho ukuthi uphinde kuma wengane uyodlala naye be careful ngoba uma wengane ku control yakhe manje relationship yakho engadecide yena ukuthi unkosikazi wakho uthola nini ukuthi wena uyalala naye kokuqala ungakhohlwa ukuthi wamshaya yena ngalonkosikazi omshadile wangashada yena washada lo osomshadile so uyazi ubeke impilo yakho ezandleni zakhe and yet uthi wena uyamthanda unkosikazi wakho lo othandana naye manje obviously kunento nakuyena unkosikazi wakhe yenza ukuthi manje engasakuzwa kahle engakufeel what if uyafeel ukuthi wena khona lo hamba udiphe khona ngaphandle and kwayena imizwa iveli phele because ikhona into ayizwayo and akwenzeki futhi ukuthi uma wengane akakusendela ama SMS nani uthola unkosikazi wakho uyayazi lonto and uthulile nje avele la ngaphakathi endlini abande because uyazazi zonke lezo zinto so iadvice yami ungoni into ekhona ngento engekho number 1 but number 2 khulumisanani naye umama if ningakwazi nize kumina ngizonisiza noyi2 naye ngimsize kuze kumenze ashise alangazele ucansi akulangazele nawe futhi
sure all the best buddy on Facebook is page elithi Indaba with Alex all right ngizoqala le kazama nice topic mina ngalala nomuntu siqala nje kuba ndawonye and it wasn't planned but namanje sisathandana right and then anonymous kwenziwa yini ukuthi usheshe uchame kumuntu ohlala naye but umem or umuntu ohlala naye or umem but ngaphandle kuze kuse okay and then listen to this one ke uNcebo Khumalo ungajudge umuntu wakho ngo first round buka nje iLiverpool isenzela umzekelo okay nice one and then bese kuzoba le eka Njabulo the problem starts when you and your partner nibeka usuku eniyolala ngalo isex ayiplanwa abantu benkosi iyazenzekelela lento right that's advice yeah na question evela la ku Facebook doc
yes lokuqala uthi ku mem or kumuntu a steady naye uyashesha uchama kodwa ngaphandle akashesha uchama you know ipen Alex or induku it's an emotional thing into yepen ilalela ama emotions ungabona intombazane iqhamuka lapha ya igqokile kodwa ngokwengqondo yakho lento icabangile sucabanga umzimba wayo wayikhumula ingubo livele liphakama ipeni usaqokile lo muntu uphakama ipeni meaning what ukuthi ingqondo yakho has a huge influence on ukuthi kwenzakalani kuipeni same as ukuchitha kwalipeni nokuqeda kwalipeni uthola ukuthi lo enhlala naye la endlini uthola ukuthi wazi wonke ama weaknesses akho nama insecurities akho ilaphi lo weak khona and yonke into uyakwazi you know and nenkinga enazo nonkinga onayo emsebenzini nani uyazazi lo kuwena in your mind as a man iyakwenza le nto ukuthi u feel small or insecure or anxious as a man uthola ukuthi because of that kusengqondweni yakho ugcina suba nexhala usushesha uchama lapha ngaphakathi ekhaya le ngaphandle akakwazi lo muntu kwawena you don't even care ukuthi uyamsatisfy or not lo muntu uyochitha nje uyo enjoya so you end up taking longer but la kumama also because unento ukuthi ngingachami so nexhala lako ushesha uchama
yes all right so still now a psychological part of it all right sikhuluma ngani tonight sikhuluma la ngendaba yokuthi ukwazi kanjani ube compatible nomuntu wakho mase kuza la kwezocansi iqala nje relationship kuzoba njani all right so ke utheke udokotela akukho izinto eziprescribe biwe nezibekiwe okunye kuba ama stereotypes so ayenzeka yini or not sikhuluma kanjalo on Twitter @Alex Mthiyane on Facebook Indaba with Alex and lelo hlelo kuyalungele abantu abancane Do ungabi namahloni mawushulalele le show nomuntu wakho ushilo dokotela ekutheni empeleni thina senzela irelationship yenu uthi izinto ibelula because sikhuluma ngezinto mhlambe ezikuthinta ngqo lapho but bungakabi naso isibindi sokuthi uzisho so kuzozenzakalela khona if I were you mina bengizothi ungabuki reaction now but buka ke going forward if ukuthi vele namhlanje kuzolalwa then mhlawumbe uzozama ke namhlanje ukunotice izinto ezithile mhlawumbe uzobona ama changes or going forward yeah The beauty of ilokuzana ukuthatha into theory, doctor, we practice. You can't say I will try that after 3 installments. You can try it immediately.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And kubalekile logo Alex.
Yeah.
You know, most of the time we kunama tips esiwakhiphayo lana ukuthi nenzeni to each other.
Yes.
You know, and I love it Alex ukuthi abantu abalalelayo generally balalela as ama couples. Khona bake bafike mathi every Thursday sihlele emotweni nomngami because asinayo network ekhaya sambe sohlala emotweni just to listen to the show.
Yeah.
But into enhle ukuthi iyabahlekisa bebodwa as a couple ukulalela the show. Lokho kukodwa uyabona ukunyusa imizwa ukuthi nihlezi ndawonye kunokuba niyaxabana, niyahleka, nihleka uDr Mthembu no Alex nento abayishoyo. Uyabona uzothi noma ejoker lona athi hey uthe uDr Mthembu. You know useyayenza le nto sebeyahleka but useyayenza.
So I think that tense la. The beauty of it actually ngeke uzoyizama elsewhere.
Yes.
Uzoyizama no-2 ukuthi uthe uDoc. The beauty of it then ukuthi ungazama ukuthi utsheleke nomunye uthalalele le show and sinama podcast akhona kwi website yethu @gagasiworld.co.za and nama video akhona futhi exas lokho kusayo uzowathola ungachecka nje ku website gagasiworld.co.za. Asik anonymous wasehammersdale. Hello anonymous.
Kunjani Alex?
Sho bhuti kunjani?
Siyaphila. Alex thanda bangohlelo lakho liyasiza kakhulu. Dokotela uyaphila?
Siyaphila baba niyaphila nani?
Hayi siyasiza kakhulu ngalo lokho. Dokotela inkinga enginayo mina ukuthi owami umuntu akathanda ukukhuluma ucansi. Ngalendlela ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi mangingaphula nje noma 3 months ngingaceli ungaphela nje 3 months ngenzeka ngalutho. So inkinga engithe ngikuze dokotela ukuthi uma sithi siyenza umuntu ovalekile njengathi siyaqala unosuke ngathi siyaqala ukwenza lento ezidalela ukuthi isize singayi na ground 2 manje ngisengibona ukuthi mhlawumbe yile inkinga emenza ukuthi agcine engakwazi ukukhuluma ngocansi engakwazi nano ngoba kuhlizi ukubhlungu so into enjalo dokotela zidalwa yini
isikhathi esiningi kushuthi usisi utense or sometimes it's even a past experience you know into yocansi ubhuti mhlambe won't be able ukuthi ayikhiphe lento kuye kuyenzeka kubantu who find ukuthi they've been abused even sexually whether besayingane or in past relationships and they tend to hold on to the pain you know yocansi rather than ukuthi umuntu I let go and then they begin to enjoy. So once umuntu wa tense about a relationship truth be told a relationship leads to sex. So having a relationship with anybody means you're going to end up having sex with them. So if in the past whether ubone relationship nomalume kodwa wathatha advantage walala nawe wenza sex or even a past relationship umuntu owak abuser anyhow you then begin to associate a relationship also nayo manje with that kind of pain. So number 1 kumina ngizothi usisi it's very likely ukuthi it's possible ukuthi you know une emotional problem ukuthi nayo agcina seba tense and once waba tense umzimba wakho awul keep loketshezi lokuthi livumela ukuthi ngesikhathi ipain lingena kuwena kushiblike you know kube mnandi kuba dry. So ngesikhathi soku dry sokubhlungu kusisi and sokuyipain manje lapho useba tense even more because kubhlungu and then ubhuti akasakwazi
associate with that pain.
Exactly.
Okay, so advice is counseling kanye.
I think absolutely counseling would be the best advice. I mean obviously ubuti usho 3 years that's too long. So for me it would definitely be counseling to find out what is the problem but also singaskip medical reasons kunama medical reasons okuvuvukala ngaphakathi nama infections angamenza ukuthi umuntu osifazane abe nokuvuvukala kube ebhlungu so ngesikhathi umpenetrator because it's painful abe tense avale futhi because of the pain from an infection.
All right. So I hope mfethu uzoyilalela le advice ungazi uyobheka engcenye ne.
Asiphuma khona kodwa ke ngoba uthi akhona.
Sesiphuma khona. All right. Kodwa ke angayindawo.
Akayindawo uyathanda.
All right. Sure. Shame. All right. Ngiku Facebook now. Nangu Basil la. Uthi kwangenza ngithi ngishaya hit and run wamnanda umuntu wangaphuma emqondweni so ucansi sesilwenza njalo. So I advice le. Right? And then
ucansa lenzayo not a relationship. Okay.
And then uLinda Gumede, listen to this ke uLinda Gumede abanye abantu besilisa ba selfish umuntu wenza ucansi ngawe hayi nawe. I don't know if I make sense. She does.
Okay.
Umuntu wenza ngawe kushitha ka enjoy makujabule yena ihlala ivela lento.
Yes.
And the advice yakho doke kube yokuthi makabe foreplay prolong.
Yes, that is why if look, abanye abantu abazi Alex, you know kunabantu besilisa abangazi ngempela ukuthi umuntu wesifazane uthokoziswa kanjani nokuthi umuntu wesifazane uyachama naye. You know wazi ukuthi uyena kuphela okhipha uketshezi umuntu wesifazane ukuthi uyachama naye nokuthi umthokozisa kanjani. You know kwakwaba nale joke yesiZulu kuthiwa you know amadoda amaZulu athi nyuka dilika mase seqedile because it's almost a stereotype yokuthi it's only about the man. Very important.
Ifundwa apha leyo nto.
Ekakasini kushow ya Dr Mthembu no Alex.
All right, sure. Thank you doc. Indawo ekakasini lihlela kulona lwabancane. All right. And sengizwile njalo sikhona abanye umuntu afama headset anyamalale angazi ukuthi awa quiet kangaka after 7. Please check and labantu abanama phone please check cause app ikhona ekakasi so so that bengakwazi ukuthi belalele. Asike kuma WhatsApp messages. Hello?
Yes, unibona Alex no dokotela lapha studio.
Sure.
Anonymous. Ima respect. Ayingeke inzima le topic. Imfisi uyalinda Alex ulinda umuntu ekushonisa leni ale drayisa. Ikanti uyazi yena uthi iclash kade yasho iclash ishili iphelile imfisi yabhabhaza. Iyona inkinga lesibhekene nayo.
Yo. Okay, loud and clear Mchita.
Hi, ukhuluma noMbuso wakazuma ngiseMaritzburg. Mina ngifuna ukuthi mina nobhebi wami Sandile Mthalane ngosuku lokuqala esahlangana ngalo ulona suku esenza ngalo umntamato asizange silokhana silinda nje and ngifuna ukusho ukuthi nje uthando lethu saqhubeka lu strong zafika ikhukhula zathi ziyazama ukungikhukhula ngahlala ngabalance ngiyabonga.
Aha, you know yibona mangabe uhambele emshadweni bekhona labo sisi laba bo ozosenzela ukusikwa kwekheke and then abanye uthi welcome to Mamaland yabo shaya safika ikhukhula hayi wathi wabalance celebrating ukuthi we've been through the storms but sibambile it worked kunanomntwana producer ngiyacanta ubani amatamata igama lomntwana.
No, tamata.
Oh, so like jabulisa.
Yeah.
All right. Matamata. Sure, asathi nangomunye.
Iwayibeke udokotela kule ndoda le khuluma ngoma wengane ukuthi jabula kuma wengane hey siyabonga bakithi. Izifo iningi la ngaphandle akaqaphela ubafo.
No siyabonga kakhulu. Yeah, nice. We're building a nation here.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, sure. Indaba ekakasini mhlawumbe sithatha nje anonymous bese siyagoqa ke. Sabona ekakasini?
Yebo sawubona.
Sure anonymous Respect. Hey namhlanje sigcwele Respect igcwala ngathi namhlanje kwenze njani?
Ngiyabonga futhi njalo.
It's right mfethu kunjani?
Mina mfethu yazi ngeke ngabona inkinga. Yazi ngathola intokazi mfethu yapha eNewcastle. Ngathandana naye lo sisi lo nomuntu wakhe mfethu osebenza kahle yabo. Okushuthi wafika nje la emsebenzini ngisebenza nezothenga. Uma ngabe ngimthanda lo sisi naye angithanda. Usuku lethu lokuqala mfethu ngenile sazwana ngayo ngakhona ukwenza around 4. So ngenxa yokuthi mfethu njengamanje sengiqhela kuyena wazoncamela ukuyeka lo muntu akade ethandana naye waconcentrate kumina. Uma ngabe mina ngiyisekhaya akakhoni ukuhamba ayobona lo muntu akade ethandana naye. Usencamela ukuthi azohlala nami ngaso sonke isikhathi. Manje isengikabili angisazi manje kufanele ngenze njani ukuthi ngiqhubeke nalo bese ngithola naye noma ngibuyele kuyena ngendlela esithandana ngayo mina naye. Yena ufila even ngisho kuthiwa mina angikho ngisemsebenzini. Uhleze ebhala kwaPath ethi my future husband. Manje angazi lonke inkinga leyo ukuthi ngempela yena ayikho into esingayixoxa nasiqoqa yonke into.
Yeah.
Right, dokotela?
Obviously manje istatus sishintshile kulabo boyithu. Bebeganga boyithu, you know, bedlana. Basically, you know, both of them. But manje kwakhona oseba serious more than lo munye. Manje usabambelele na kumuntu wakhe kodwa usisi usemiyekile umuntu wakhe usefuna ngapha usefuna manje uzokona le relationship ngoba kuyena siyonakele uyayibona usembiza future and kuzonakala ubhuda akabe rest assured ngoba usisi uzofila like sengimiyekile owami ngimiyekela wena nami angibonele lapho kwena and the grass is always greener on the other side. Yebo kubhuti bokumnandi ukuthi baya enjoyana nje kuphela but most likely yabo nje esaba manje akafuni relationship nalo sisi ubefuna ucansi kuphela naye. And you see
kufanele njani kubhuti please advise him.
And ubhuti I think yes Alex kunento sometimes that happens to men which is a trophy and a triumph especially if umuntu wesifazane uzomthatha komunye umuntu if uyazi ukuthi umuntu ka Alex lo uma lo muntu loyo wena usumuka sumthatha kuAlex as a man it's like a lion ujahe iprey wayiwina wena isinga kuwena kodwa ilion yazenze njani uma siyibambile leyo prey yayo iyama ifuna ukubuka ukuthi who's looking at me who's watching akasafuna ukidla lento aseyibambile manje ubhuti usemtholile lo sisi kodwa akasafuna ukumudla you know so to speak ngoba usethena unomuntu wakhe bukumnandi ngesikhathi bedlala usisi usefuna more so I think
izophela kabi
akakulindele nje
lokho
akabe ready ukuthi izophela kabi ngoba usisi uzolwa manje ngoba yena useze wamlahla uhi wakhe ngoba esebona kumnandi ngapha lo ntshontsho khona.
Okay, maybe we kufanele sikwenze lokho as a topic on its own.
Yes.
All right, sure. Asibambelana ke indaba. Dr. Medilution utholakala kanjani?
Medilution number 0317658475 eHillcrest. So uneyinkinga zocansi ze relationship, inkinga yenduku ayivuki iweek isheshe ukuchama yakhathala endleleni or imizwa ayikho kakhulukazi abantu besifazane. Umanzi kakhulu or ubona yes or uzwa angathi intomzodo wakho omkhulu kakhulu nenkinga yama period njalo uphethwa ikhanda elingapheli une back ache iqolo inyawo siyakulungisa konke lokho.
Sibonga kakhulu Dr. Mthembu lelihlala ke podcast yakhona uzoyithola gagasiworld.co.za and then ama video akhona uzowathola ku website gagasiworld.co.za check out ke ama videos as well and a link kwi Facebook page Indaba with Alex ngingu Alex Mthiyane indaba be producer umfundo mabaso usale kahle.